Paul Meeks.
Low rider, drives a little slower.
Little Joe and Trey Paul. Is it the winning combination, folks? 87 or higher will put him in the lead at this time. But he's going to have to ride him for the full 8 seconds with a good score. All right, Trey Paul said, open the gate. Let's do this. Can he make it happen? Not tonight. Trey Paul Meeks.